What is life? From a chemist's perspective, life is a cycle with 5 main phases: birth, growth, adult, elder, and death. Birth is from the moment an infant breathes in air. Infancy lasts for about 12 months. Growth is continuous. The child continues to grow mentally, physically, and emotionally. Childhood is from 1 to 10 years. The earlier years, often referred to as the toddler years. They develop the skills, learn to sit, roll, crawl, walk, run, and talk. Socialization and curiosity is a major part of life. They interact with their surroundings. This is essential for further growth and development. Adolescence, or as I refer to as the teenage years, is from 12 to 18. This is a dramatic change because puberty happens. High levels of hormones are released from the body. Girls begin to develop at the ages of 8 to 13. High levels of estrogens are present, preparing her body to one day carry an infant. She'll get periods, develop breasts, get a higher voice, get taller, get curves, and acne may form. Guys bloom a little bit later, at the ages of 9 to 14. The pituitary gland releases follicle-stimulating, testosterone, and luteinizing hormones. The hormones have always been present in the body, yet the hypothalamus triggers the gland to release larger quantities. Younger men begin to grow hair, acne forms, muscles form, voices get deeper, they get taller, and develop broader shoulders. Puberty begins to separate them from their parents and child to become more independent. Adulthood is what teenagers look forward to and fear. This is the longest stage, lasting from 18 till death. They are fully grown and independent. The skills they have previously learned in life are implied for survival. At this part in life, they have the choice to reproduce with the opposite sex for offsprings. The end of adulthood is when the body weakens and often referred to as the elder years. Physically, the body cannot support life any longer. Disease or old age will eventually prevent oxygen from entering the lungs. After all, humans are animals. We all must die. A human corpse begins to decay rapidly after death. Brain cells are the first to die. Blood is drained from the capillaries. Bones and skin cells will survive for days. The corpse in water will decompose twice as fast than a corpse on land. Decomposition is slowest underground, especially in clay that prevents air from reaching the corpse, slowing down the growth of bacteria and slowing down decay. Under clay and under certain conditions such as temperature, climate, humidity, and altitude, saponification can occur. Cremation is when the corpse is burned in a chamber to ashes. It usually takes about 1.5 to 3 hours to reduce the corpse to bone fragments. It may take 4 to 5 hours in older chambers. Propane or natural gas is used. Soft tissue tightens up, burns, and vaporizes in the chamber. The skin becomes waxy, tarnishes, blisters, and splits. The bones are solidified, chip, and crumble to ashes. And that's the human life cycle.